Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hopefully you are well and safe. Welcome to Higher Mathematics Online Class. This is MD Imam Hasan, Senior Teacher, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today we discuss exercise 5.2, that is equations involving radicals. This class will be very helpful for you. So hopefully you will attentively participate to today's class. So let's start our class. My dear students, today we discuss some important math from exercise 5.2. Basically, exercise 5.2 is related to equations involving radicals. So, today we solve some equations involving radicals. Our first question number 1, solve square root x minus 4 plus 2 equal to square root x plus 12. So, here the given equation is square root x minus 4 plus 2 equal to square root x plus 12. Here we have to find the solution, that is we have to find the value of x. For finding the value of x, at first we have to remove the radicals, that is the square root sign. For removing the square root sign, at first we square on both sides. So by squaring on both sides, we will get or square root x minus 4 plus 2 whole square equal to square root x plus 12 whole square. Then or here we compare square root x minus 4 as a and 2 as b. Then a plus b whole square. You all know the formula, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square equal to square root x plus 12 whole square. So x plus 12. Now here square root x minus 4 whole square equal to x minus 4, then plus 2 into 2, that is 4 square root x minus 4 plus 2 square, so 4 equal to x plus 12. Now in this equation there is only one term involving radicals, that is 4 square root x minus 4. We put this term at one side and all other terms at another side. So or 4 square root x minus 4 equal to here x plus 12. Now plus x becomes minus x, minus 4 becomes plus 4, then plus 4 becomes minus 4. Or here 4 square root x minus 4 equal to x minus x is cancelled, plus 4 at minus 4 will be cancelled, so it will be only 12. Now dividing both sides by 4, we will get here square root x minus 4 equal to 3. Here we divide, here dividing both sides by 4. Now there is still now a radical sign, that is a square root sign. So for removing this square root sign, we have to square on both sides. So by squaring on both sides, we will get or x minus 4 equal to 9 by squaring. Therefore, the value of x will be 9 plus 4, that is 13. So finally we get the solution of the given equation, that is x equal to 13. But for this type of equations involving radicals, sometimes all the roots do not satisfy the equation. Those roots are called exterior root. So we have to test all the root, is it satisfy the equation or not. So we have to show the verification of the equation. Now we show the verification of this equation. Here we have only one root of this equation, and that is x equal to 13. So verification for x equal to 13, the left hand side of the given equation equal to square root x minus 4. Here the value of x is 13, so 13 minus 4 plus 2 equal to square root 13 minus 4 equal to 9 plus 2. Square root 9 equal to 3, then plus 2, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So left hand side equal to 5. Now right hand side. Here right hand side is square root x plus 12. Here x equal to 13. So 13 plus 12. Square root 13 plus 12 equal to 25. Square root 25 equal to 5, which is equal to left hand side. So x equal to 13 satisfy the given equation. Therefore the required solution is x equal to 13, and this is our required answer. Hopefully you all understand this math. My dear students, now you solve question number 2. Here question number 2, solve square root 11x minus 6 equal to square root 4x plus 5 minus square root x minus 1. So we have to find the solution of the equation. At first we write the given equation. Here the given equation is 11x minus 6 equal to square root 4x plus 5 minus square root x minus 1. Since there is a radical in this equation, that is a square root sign, so at first we have to remove the square root sign. For removing a square root sign, we have to square on both sides. So by squaring on both sides, we will get square root 11x minus 6 whole square equal to square root 4x plus 5 minus square root x minus 1 whole square, or square root 11x minus 6 whole square equal to 11x minus 6 equal to, here we compare square root 4x plus 5 as a and square root x minus 1 as b, then a minus b whole square. You all know the formula, a minus b whole square equal to a square, that is square root 4x plus 5 whole square minus 2 into ab, that is square root 4x plus 5 into this one, that is x minus 1, plus b square, that is square root x minus 1 whole square. Now, or 11x minus 6 equal to square root 4x plus 5 whole square equal to 4x plus 5, then minus 2 into square root 4x plus 5 square root x minus 1 plus square root x minus 1 whole square equal to x minus 1. Now in this equation there is only one term, that is 2 into square root 4x plus 5 into square root x minus 1 is included radical. So we put this term at one side and all other term in another side. So we have to write or 11x minus 6, here plus 4x becomes minus 4x, plus 5 becomes minus 5, plus x becomes minus x, then minus 1 becomes plus 1 equal to minus 2 square root 4x plus 5 into x minus 1. Since square root 4x plus 5 into square root x minus 1, so we can write this as square root 4x plus 5 into x minus 1, or here 11x minus 4x equal to 7x, 7x minus x equal to 6x, so 6x minus 6 minus 5 plus 1 equal to minus 10 equal to, here minus 2 into square root 4x plus 5 into x minus 1. Now in these equations we have all the terms are even number, so dividing by 2 we will get 3x minus 5 equal to minus square root 4x plus 5 into x minus 1. Here dividing by 2. Now there is still a radical sign, that is a square root sign. So for removing this square root sign we have to square this line for one more times. So or 3x minus 5 whole square equal to minus square root 4x plus 5 into x minus 1 whole square. Now we have to solve this equation. Here 3x minus 5 whole square, using a minus b whole square formula, we can write this one as a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square equal to, here minus square root 4x plus 5 into x minus 1 whole square. So it will become 4x plus 5 into x minus 1, or here 3x whole square equal to 9x square, 2 into 3x into 5, that is minus 30x plus 5 square, so 25 equal to, multiplying these two factor, we will get here 4x square, then plus 5x minus 4x, then plus minus makes minus 5. So, or here 9x square minus 30x plus 25, then plus 4x square becomes minus 4x square, plus 5x becomes minus 5x, minus 4x becomes plus 4x, minus 5 becomes plus 5 equal to 0. Now here 9x square minus 4x square equal to 5x square, then minus 30x minus 5x, that is minus 35x plus 4x, so minus 31x, then plus 25 and plus 5 equal to plus 30 equal to 0. Now for solve this equation, we have to factorize this left hand side. So by using middle term method, we can write this one as 5x square, then minus 25x minus 6x plus 30 equal to 0, or taking common 5x, we will get here x minus, taking common 5x, we will get 5, then taking common minus 6, we will get x, then plus minus makes minus, 30 by 6, that is 5 equal to 0, or here x minus 5 into 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Here the multiplication of two factors equal to 0. So the first factor equal to 0 or the second factor equal to 0. So from here we can write the first factor, that is x minus 5 equal to 0, or the second factor, that is 5x minus 6 equal to 0, or x equal to 5 or 5x equal to 6, therefore x equal to 6 by 5. So finally we get two roots, that is x equal to 5 and 6 by 5. Now we have to show the verification of this equation. Now we show the verification. Here we have two roots, x equal to 5 and 6 by 5. So for x equal to 5, the left hand side of the given equation is square root 11x. So 11 into x, the value of x is 5, then minus 6. So square root 11 into 5 equal to 55 minus 6. Square root 55 minus 6 equal to 49. Square root 49 equal to 7. So our left hand side is 7. Now for x equal to 5, right hand side, here the right hand side is square root 4x plus 5. So 4 into x, the value of x is 5 plus 5, then here minus square root x minus 1, the value of x is 5, so 5 minus 1. Now 4 into 5 equal to 20, 20 plus 5 equal to 25, then minus square root 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So square root 25 equal to 5 minus square root 4 equal to 2. Now 5 minus 2 equal to 3, which is not equal to our left hand side, since the left hand side is 7. So it's not equal to left hand side. Therefore, the root x equal to 5 does not satisfy the given equation. So x equal to 5 is not a solution of the given equation. Therefore, we can write x equal to 5 is not a solution of the given equation. Now we have to test the equation for the another root, that is x equal to 6 by 5. Now we have to show the verification for another root, that is x equal to 6 by 5. So the verification for x equal to 6 by 5, the left hand side, here the left hand side is square root 11 into x. Here x is 6 by 5, so 6 by 5 minus 6 equal to square root. Multiplying this, we will get here 66 by 5 minus 6. Now square root, taking common LCM as 5, we can write here 66 minus 6 into 5 equal to 30, equal to square root, here 66 minus 30 equal to 36 by 5. Now square root 36 equal to 6 by square root 5. So our left hand side is 6 by square root 5. Now we show the right hand side. So our right hand side, here the right hand side is square root 4x. Here x is 6 by 5, so 6 by 5, then plus 5 minus square root x minus 1. Here x is 6 by 5, so 6 by 5 minus 1. Now multiplying this, we will get here 4 into 6, that is 24 by 5 plus 5 minus, here taking LCM as 5, we can write 6 minus 5 equal to square root, here taking LCM 5, we will get 24 plus 5 into 5 equal to 25, then minus 6 minus 5 equal to 1 by 5, that is square root 1 by 5, equal to here 24 plus 25 equal to 49. So square root 49 equal to 7 divided by square root 5 minus square root 1, that is 1 divided by square root 5. Now taking common LCM as root over 5, we can write 7 minus 1. So 7 minus 1 equal to 6 by root over 5, which is equal to our left hand side. So equal to left hand side. So the root x equal to 6 by 5 satisfy the given equation. So our required solution, therefore our required solution x equal to 6 by 5, and this is our required answer. So hopefully you will understand this math. My dear students, finally we solve question number 7. Here question number 7, solve a square root x square minus 6x plus 9 minus a square root x square minus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. So we have to solve this equation. Here the given equation is a square root x square minus 6x plus 9, then minus square root x square minus 6x plus 6 equal. Here at left hand side there are two terms with radical sign, that is a square root sign. So for removing the square root sign, we have to square on both sides. So for easily solving this math, at first we write a square root x square minus 6x plus 9. Here minus this term will be equal to 1 plus this, that is a square root x square minus 6x plus 6. Now we square on both sides. So by squaring both sides, we will get square root x square minus 6x plus 9 whole square equal to 1 plus square root x square minus 6x plus 6 whole square. Now square root x square minus 6x plus 9 whole square equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to, considering 1 as a and square root x square minus 6x plus 6 as b, we apply the formula a plus b whole square. You all know the formula. The formula is a square, that is 1 square, plus 2 into ab, that is 1 into square root x square minus 6x plus 6, plus b square, that is square root x square minus 6x plus 6 whole square. Then or x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to, here 1 square equal to 1, then multiplying this we will get 2 square root x square minus 6x plus 6, then plus square root x square minus 6x plus 6 whole square equal to x square minus 6x plus 6. Now in this equation there is only one term included radical sign, so we put this term at right hand side, that is at one side, and all other term at another side. So or x square minus 6x plus 9, then here plus 1 becomes minus 1, plus x square becomes minus x square, plus minus 6x becomes plus 6x, and plus 6 becomes minus 6 equal to 2 into square root this one, that is x square minus 6 plus 6. Now by simple calculation, plus x square minus x square will be cancelled, minus 6x plus 6x will be also cancelled, 9 minus 1 equal to 8, 8 minus 6 equal to 2, so 2 equal to 2 square root x square minus 6x plus 6. Dividing by 2 we will get, or here 1 equal to square root x square minus 6x plus 6. Now still now there is a radical sign at right hand side, so for removing a square root sign we have to square on both sides. So by squaring on both sides we can write, or 1 square equal to 1 equal to square root x square minus 6x plus 1 whole square equal to x square minus 6x plus 6 by squaring. Or here x square minus 6x plus 6, then plus 1 becomes minus 1 equal to 0, or x square minus 6x plus 6 minus 1 equal to plus 5 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this left hand side for solving this equation. By middle term method we can write this one as x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 equal to 0, or taking common x we can write x minus 5, then taking common minus 1 we can write from here x, then plus minus makes minus 5 equal to 0, or taking common x minus 5 we can write here x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the multiplication of two factor equal to 0, so the first factor equal to 0 and the second factor equal to 0. Therefore we can write x minus 5 equal to 0, or the second factor, that is x minus 1 equal to 0, or x equal to 5, and from here x equal to 1. Therefore we get x equal to 1 and 5. So we get two roots, that is x equal to 1 and x equal to 5. Now we have to show the verification. Now the verification, here we have two roots, x equal to 1 and x equal to 5. So the verification, at first for x equal to 1, the left hand side of the given equation, here a square root x square, so 1 square minus 6 into x, so 1 plus 9. Then minus square root x square, so 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 6, equal to, here a square root 1 square, so 1 minus 6 into 1, that is 6, plus 9, minus 1 square equal to 1, 6 into 1 equal to minus 6 plus 6, equal to, here 9 plus 1 equal to 10, 10 minus 6 equal to 4, minus square root 1 plus 6 equal to 7, 7 minus 6 equal to 1. So square root 4 equal to 2 minus square root 1 equal to 1. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and that is our right hand side. So equal to right hand side. So the root x equal to 1 satisfy the given equation. Therefore x equal to 1 is a solution of the given equation. Now we test the another root x equal to 5. So verification, for x equal to 5, the left hand side of the given equation is a square root x square, so x is 5, so 5 square minus 6 into 5 plus 9, minus square root, here 5 square minus 6 into 5 plus 6, equal to square root, here 5 square equal to 25 minus 6 into 5, that is 30 plus 9. Then minus square root 5 square equal to 25 minus 6 into 5, that is 30 plus 6, equal to square root 25 minus 30 equal to minus 5, minus 5 plus 9 equal to 4. Then minus square root, here 25 plus 6 equal to 31, 31 minus 30 equal to 1, so square root 1. Now square root 4 equal to 2 minus square root 1 equal to 1, so 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and that is our right hand side, so equal to right hand side. So the root x equal to 5 also satisfy the given equation. Therefore x equal to 1 and x equal to 5, both the roots are the required solution. So the required solution of the given equation, x equal to 1 and 5. So this is our required answer. Hopefully you will understand this math. My dear students, hopefully you will understand today's class. If any problem, take help from your subject teacher. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.